How to log out of your account on Figma application. First, you want to open your Figma app. And inside the application, if you already have an account, you want to simply log in into the Figma. However, if you don't have an account, you want to simply sign up from here. After you're logged in, you'll be able to see a page which will look something like this. Here at the top right of your screen, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Simply tap on a profile. After that, you'll be able to see a logout option at the very bottom of your screen. Simply tap on logout and click on logout again. By doing so, you have successfully logged out of your account on Figma app. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.